Yeah man, I knew these were coming handy. But I'll hopefully get this bolt out. At the end of that, I've undoing that bolt on my van. It bent the end of it. Yes. Now it's clamped in, it's alright that. Yeah, I need to get the piston out of it as well. I've got a new piston and new pads. Oh, there's one. Some spiders. They don't look that bad, to be fair. Probably that old. Still got asbestos in them or something. But they look a bit contaminated, don't they? So we'll go with the newies. That one's looking worse. Pretty glazed. Yeah. Wonder if this piston will come out. Shall we have a look? With our remove tool. Very, very wishful thinking. This is probably better off just using mole grips because we've got a new piston for it. Yeah, that's well stiff. Back to the vise. Got to get some mollies on it. Yeah. No, it's just going to move in it. Might be one of them where I have to put it on the bike to do it. I don't want to gnarl it up. It's not the best as it is. Move a centimetre. So we've got a bit of movement. Only side to side though. I have to go and get some oil or something. Not got the best clamp on it either. That's getting a bit easier now. Pull it out somehow. But these, as soon as you squeeze on them, the handles fall off. Look, they're the worst, crappiest. Might be alright for a brand new caliper, but they're not touching this. As soon as you squeeze, watch. Yeah, I'll be doing this till the year dot, man. Might be able to push it out that way, mightn't you? Very doubtful. You'd end up knackering up the alley caliper. You'd probably end up knackering it. You won't listen, will you? Probably not even moved it. My God, it honks. Yes, as I wiggle it, I'm putting a bit of lever in under it with a screwdriver. Get that. She bangs. Crikey, I won't like to say last time that was out. Not the worst looking in there. It wants a damn good clean and new seals and everything, but regards inside of it, at least it isn't rusty. Because, well, it's not going to be rusty, is it? It's aluminium, you pleb. Yeah, at least we're alright, we're good to go. Just, I could maybe take that to work and do it tomorrow or something. May as well have a look at this RD brake and that. Gee. I don't know, it wants like paint stripper on it or something. Good grief. Let's get these seals out as well. Top one looks well knackered. Wow. Not much left of that one. It's been forced in many times, hasn't it? One behind it's a bit better. Get rid of all that oil, grease. Could have done with like some degreaser. I was going to bring a bit. Oh, I thought, no, I'll be alright. No, I want to turn it. Don't know what we've got. What have we got? Mr. Muscle. That isn't going to do it. Yeah, it's a bit crusty in there. Look at all that I've got to get rid of. Oh my word. It's dark in here today. Bit cleaner. Still plenty of oxidation in it. Should be going over that with a wire brush. We've got a little wire brush. It'd be nice if I had some paint stripper, because I'm ready to paint these. I've got a little bit of paint, but I need to do it all at once because it goes hard, this paint, quick. It's the primer for putting a windscreen in. Just going to try that. I'll do like a pick, but as you can see the white crust coming out. Your seal isn't going to sit on that. Wow, look at it all. The seal might have a fighting chance now. One behind luckily is a little bit better. My wire brush might be better. That's it. This is what I'm getting out of it, out where the seal sits. Proper crusty. I've got some bangers on to try and speed up the process. Oh, it's killing me, man. It's killing me. It's coming off, but man, it's taking time. This bit now, that top bit. Oh, stay in my hands. Unbelievable. Got it. I'm going to mask it up and give it a big paint. This is my setup and the bounce of paint. Probably be better off spraying them with Smooth Right, but I'm going to try this stuff. That black primer there. It's going to be going on with this. I don't know how it's going to go on. Whether we can see, won't we? Oh man, I'm here. We'll tackle that. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need 2 hands to get it out of the bottle. This one, we need it to be good because, mamma mia, that smell. That's flipping, oh, it picks up the cloth, the dabbers picks up bits of the cloth. I mean, it's not bad, but probably could have been a little bit better. Oh, shit, spilt it. No. Fuck. Oh, what an idiot. Spilt the last one as well. Before. Disaster. Absolute disaster, man. Damn. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, get in. This guy's going to go mad about his parcel. Oh dear, oh dear. Sure enough on here to do it. Yeah, not done the top bit. Look at that. This guy's gonna go, what's happened to my parcel? That's my brake lever. It's better when you give it like one brush and you get like a nice flat finish, but where you've gone over it a couple of times, it's looking a bit how you're doing. But yeah, I mean, for the best part, looks alright. Just wants a rebuild kit really, with the spring and the seal. My brake, it's not too bad. I managed to mess these bits up a little bit. I've got a nice run on the top, but it's the brake, innit? Cleaned up the rattle plate. Hold the pads. Yeah, so we screw it all back together. It's pretty dry, so I'm going to rebuild it. Get the piston in it. Got a bit of brake grease there. I'll wipe it around the inside, try and squeeze it in. Right, that's one seal in. That's the other seal in. It's a bit loose. Just get a little touch of this grease. Maybe a little bit around the piston as well. Right. So how does this piston go in then if it's bloody Nora? I didn't think it were going to fit then. See if my special tool will help me. Yes, I think that went in. Went in the first bit anyway. Give it a bit more grease and have a look what's happening. Yeah, it's worked. Just maybe needed a bit more of a... There's plenty of that though. Maybe I should have done it before I painted it. Yes. Bit naughty, isn't it, leaving my workplace like this, but yeah, it smells good in here. Oh, it smells good. Look at my little brake caliper and that. Look at this here for refurbished. Ooh. Very, very loose slap for a refresh, but that's not bad, that. I'll take that. I'll take it, man. That paint sticks like shit to a blanket, mate. Can't even get it off my hands. I tried scrubbing it and everything. Yeah, I need to just get a bit tidied up. I need to get that piston in the caliper. I was struggling with that yesterday. These bits, I put it down and it hadn't dried. So they're not as smooth as I'd like, but they're black. and you're only going to be looking at it like that while it's on the bike. So yeah, anyway, I'll stop chunnering on and get a bit of work done. Not even 7:30 and we've got the bangers on. Yeah, gnarled up in there a bit trying to get it in. Look at this for a guess. Look at this for a guess. Hey, I'm gonna have to try and bang that in. Yeah, I just knocked it in with the bar and a hammer, straight in. All that messing about yesterday with trying to force it in. I just put it in my lap and hit it. Boom. She down. I've got some brake pads somewhere. Somewhere. So we had some brake pads somewhere. Yeah, man. Them bad boys. Picture showed me green ones. I was wounded when he sent me gold. But new pads are new pads. We need them. Yeah, I'll just I think they're boots and stuff, yeah. It's a shame you didn't get a new rubber for the slider. Look at this, it's mad. They like giving you stickers. Even stuff that like £11 or something. It's a little cheeky one, isn't it? Yeah, a little cheeky one. The Brake Master one's quite cool. Definitely looking a bit better, that puppy. Bit gnarled there, like. Look at that. Don't know whether that's like previous or me in the vice the other day. I don't think it was me in the vice. I think that's someone trying to squeeze in that. Oh yeah, could have been me with a vice. Spin in a vice there, I you see the line on it. But as long as it still works. And I bought another one, but I honestly couldn't find one. You can find loads for a Mark 2 or a Mark 3 and you can upgrade. And the twin piston, they're all fancy. But for a Mark 1, you've only got that. Yeah. New pads. Bit of a paint. We're getting there. It's got a couple of seals to do, these boots. And a bit of this grease inside the sliders. Fucking some Italian dude's just come in. I think he's a painter. Just come in. He heard the music. And he looks at me. Oh, where is induction, mate? I'm like, geez. He must have thought, what's this guy doing in here? Head banging music on and loads of like spray paint and stuff. And, well, whatever you can get away with, innit, man? I'm running a bit low on this grease. I could have done with a bit more. I could have done with filling them. But I can only use what I've got at the moment. I could put the wrong grease in, like it's probably had for the last 20 years. But yeah, we'll go with that. Struggling here, I can't get that. I've got it in sliding nice, but it won't go past the boot. When the boot's inside, so I just have to leave the boot like that. It's sliding. Yeah, it's sliding, look. Yeah, it's just, it doesn't like that boot in there. That one went in nice. I mean, I could have another go, but I don't really want to force it. Got some foot pegs. You've still got the powder coat underneath them. They need cheering up. What have they been? White, silver, black. Yeah, but man, and knackered. I didn't know they come on springs. Look, they're spring loaded. Yeah, I may as well change them both. Mine have got the nuts and bolts in here, you see. They're meant to be pins, these, not nuts. Don't get this primer on your hands. I had to use like sandpaper, it still won't come off. Unbelievable. I managed to get all that loose paint off one. I might just paint it in that black primer. Same as what I did the master cylinder in. Yeah, got a few colours on them. Look at that. See how mint this is though inside for 40-year-old. It's had a scrape, but it's not very rusty or out that inside. The spring still had zinc plating on it, look. Yeah, that's just painted. A bit better than he did this morning. Put the new foot pegs on as well. Boom.